Dhal rice with prawns. So we will see how it is done, and the first thing I am going to cook the rice. To cook the rice, what we have to do is, into the rice pot I have to use a few ingredients. I am going to temper a few ingredients. You can see the onions, curry leaves and garlic, and we have got cinnamon, star anise, mace and all that. First thing I am going to do here is put a little bit of ghee. It's not a big quantity, but just a little bit of ghee I am using. Say about 2 teaspoons or 1 dessert spoon, that is also too much, and a little oil. We start off with the cinnamon, mace, then cardamom, star anise, garlic. These are the ingredients that we are using. Onions, all shredded onions, and the curry leaves. All that is put together and nicely stir till we get this slightly stir fried. I would like to put a little salt here. Say for about 2 minutes you stir fry. Now I am going to add the rice. For this quantity I am going to add 1 cup of sambar rice, roughly about 150 grams. Then we add the stock. If I use 1 cup of rice, I need 2.5 cups of stock and water. 2 cups and half a cup of water. That is 2.5 cups of water. Now what we have to do is cover and cook this. When you start cooking this, you know, now I have covered and cooked. Rice, you know how to cook it. Now I need the dal also. Now we said dal rice with prawns. So dal, when I add, I am going to add 1/4 cup of dal, which I have soaked in water for a while. Halfway through of rice cooking, I am going to add the dal also. I think it's ready for me to add now. So we will see how it is. Oh, lovely. Now what I am going to do is add the dal. 1/4 cup. For 1 cup rice, 1/4 cup of dal we have used. And I would like to use a little, not a lot, but a little bit of, first we added the salt, now I'll use a little turmeric also. Now we will cook this and see how it comes. My dal rice is ready. This is now, oh, it's lovely. The rice is ready. Now see, I'm going to off this and I'm going to dish this out. Dish out this into my plate. Now the rice is ready. Now what I am going to do is, we are going to do the prawn stir fry. To do the prawn stir fry, I have got the prawns ready. We will see how we are going to do it. First put a little oil. I said prawns, isn't it? Along with prawns, I am going to use red pepper, which I have cut into 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch pieces. Quite a large piece. Green pepper, capsicum and onions along with that. Now what I am going to do is, along with that we will add the prawns also. Prawns, see how I have used it. Start cooking. all these together we are cooking, so that it's going to be nice and tasty. Now I am going to use a little tomato paste and a little salt, chili pieces, chili powder, turmeric, all that I am using, and a little stock. Now this is my version of the preparation which I am going to use it on top of the dal rice. With prawns, dal rice, I am sure you will enjoy because it's really nice, very tasty, and of course eye-catching also, all that together. Lastly, what I am going to do is a little bit of pepper. I would like the pepper pieces to come out on top of the prawns, so that it gives a little more taste, and my rice is ready. You can enjoy, because this is a wholesome meal. We don't need separate dishes along with that, and you could serve like this because it's really interesting. And if you are a working couple or working lady, and you will find it much more difficult to come back home and cook. Lovely. See, it didn't take even half an hour for me to cook. Only pre-preparation a little bit, about 10 minutes, and after that everything is done and my lovely dish is ready. Try it out and see. You will be amazed. Subscribe my YouTube channel and press the icon so that you will get all my recipes, so that you will enjoy. Thank you so much for watching my program.